how to start a blog on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. Starting a blog on Shopify can be a great way to drive traffic to your store and establish yourself as an authority in your industry. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get started with creating a blog on Shopify, from selecting a theme and creating your first post, to customizing your layout and managing your content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a good understanding of how to use Shopify's blogging platform to create engaging content that will attract visitors to your site and help grow your business. So let's get started. Now, the first thing you're going to do is go to shopify.com and either log in or create an account. After doing that, you're going to see over here on the left side that we have this section over here. We're going to click on our online store, and we would be able to edit our themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and reference. Under theme, this is where you would be able to edit what your website would look like. As you can see here, we have a lot of different options. Currently, we are using the Dawn theme, so we're going to stick with this for now. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on our blog post over here. This is where we will be able to create our blog post for our website. So we're going to click on create a blog post over here. And over here, this is where we will be able to edit and create content for our blog post. As you can see here, we have our title section over here, the content section, the visibility, the featured image, excerpt, search engine listing preview, organization, and online store. Now over here, you're simply going to add a title for your blog post. For example, right now, we're going to go with new products available. This is what our blog post would be titled in our website. And over here on the content, this is where you will be adding your content. Now for the first part, I am thinking of adding a banner. So we're going to create a banner using Canva over here. In Canva, we would be able to creatively create any designs that we would want. We could also create t-shirt designs in this platform over here. But right now we're going to focus on our banner. So we're going to search banner on our search bar over here, and we're going to choose landscape option over here. Now in this section, we would be able to see all the different templates that we have for a banner. As you can see here, you could use any of this option, or you could create your own banner by clicking on this option over here. We're going to choose this one, and I'm going to edit this and use it for my own. After clicking that, you would be redirected to the editing page of Canva over here, and this is where we will be able to edit our content over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink this content over here, and I'm going to move the flowers just like this. I'm going to center this once again, just like that. I'm going to move the flowers just like that. Now over here, we're going to upload our images for our product. As you can see here, I have a previously created image. We're going to select this, and I'm going to click on edit image, and I'm going to remove the background. I'm going to wait for a bit, and we're going to click on apply, and just like that, the background has been removed, and we're going to increase the photo size over here by doing this, just like that. And we're going to upload our second image over here, just like this. And we're going to do the same thing, where we click on edit image, then background remover. And we're going to wait for it. And just like that, we have our second person over here, just like that. And for this one, I'm going to make it reverse, just like this. And I'm going to put this person on the top this time, just like that. And this will be our very quick creation of our banner for now. This is what our banner would look like for the meantime. This is just a temporary banner. You could also add your logo into your canvas over here, which is this one. We're going to add it just like that. And after doing that, we're going to click on share over here on the top right, and then click on download. And we're going to click on download once again. And we're going to wait for it to finish downloading. While waiting for that, we're going to go back to our post over here, and we're going to add a heading for our post over here. For example, we're going to add t-shirt designs featuring coffee, just like that, and we're going to highlight this specific text and we're going to make it a center align. We could change the formatting by clicking this option over here. We could change it to a heading or a heading 2, just like that. We could also turn it into bold, italic, or underline. You could also add color to your text over here. You could add a background if you would like. You could also add a bullet list, numbered list, and you could also insert a link, table, image, video, and clear formatting over here. Now, after doing that, we're going to click on enter and we're going to check it out if it's finished downloading. As you can see right now, it finished downloading. So we're going to upload our image. We're going to click on insert image over here. And as you can see here, this is my previously uploaded images from before. I'm going to click on product image over here. You would be able to see your product image that is currently uploaded to your store. You could select any of this option. But for now, we're going to upload a file. And we're going to select the banner that we have created. Unfortunately, it doesn't accept it because it exceeds 20 megapixels. So we're going to edit our sizing over here. We're going to download it once again. Click on download and we're going to lessen the size just like that. And we're going to click on download and we're going to wait for it again. And after doing that, we're going to go back here. We're going to upload. Click on this image over here. And just like that, the image that we created has been uploaded. So we're going to insert image. And as you can see here, we have our photo over here. We're going to select this and we're going to enter our alignment to center so that the image is on the center. So we're going to click on enter once again. And then now over here, you would be able to enter your description about your product or about your store. Simply the content of your blog page. This is where you would need to put in your blog content. Anything you would like to add, you should put it on this section. But for now, since I don't have any content, I'm going to just put this message over here to symbolize that this is where you should need to put your content, just like that. And after that, you can simply add other things. For example, we could add a video over here. You could insert a video by pasting the embedded snippet in the box below. You could add your video in either Vimeo or YouTube. Now, as you can see right now, I am going to use this video for now because I don't have a video of my own. To do this for your own video, you can simply upload it to your YouTube channel. And after doing that, you can simply click on share over here, then click on embed, and you would be able to copy this code over here. We're simply going to click on copy, and we're going to go back to our Shopify, and we're going to paste our code over here, then click on insert video. And as you can see here, our video would appear on our blog page. So we're going to click on enter once again to make sure that we can type below just like that. And that's how you would be able to add videos on your blog page. Now over here, you could add more content, like for example, a title of your specific product. For example, over here, I'm going to add coffee recipe for happiness. Just like that. We're going to fix our error over here. Just like that. And we could change this to a heading, just like what we did earlier. By doing this, click and turning it to heading 2, just like that. And this will be our heading, another heading. And you could add more content on this section, like that. And we're going to align it to center, just like what we did earlier. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add photos by clicking on this photo insert image over here once again. And just like we saw earlier, we would be able to upload and select images from this section. So what I would like to do is I'm going to click on a photo over here, then click on insert image. And as you can see here, we would have our photo on this section where we would like to add our photo. Now, after doing that, you can simply add more content over here. You could also add like a direct link to your products, for example, by here now, just like that. And I'm going to highlight this and I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click on this insert link option over here. And we will be able to add a link for this specific hyperlink message. So we're going to add a link. So what we're going to do first is we're going to open our themes over here. We're going to cancel. We're going to open this, and we're going to click on the three dots and then go to preview, and we're going to go to our catalog. I'm going to select the specific product that I have, and I'm simply going to copy the URL link, and we're going to go back to our blog post, and we're going to do the same thing. Going to highlight it and then going to insert link, then add the link over here, and you could add a title link over here. For example, buy now, like what we typed in earlier, you could open this to a new window or the same window. We're going to insert link, and just like that, we have a hyperlink for our text over here. Now you can simply do whatever you want on this blog page. I'm just showing you how you could add the different things on the blog section of Shopify. And after editing your blog page, you could simply edit the visibility over here. You could set it to visible. You could add a featured image by clicking this. You could use a GIF for your featured image if you want. You could edit the organization, the blog section over here, the tags, the online store if you have multiple store over here. And we're going to click on save. Now after saving, we're going to click on view over here, and we would be able to see this page, this blog on our store over here. As you can see, this is our blog page. New products available. We have the date over here, the share button. We have our heading, then our banner over here, the video that we have. We could play this by clicking this button over here. By clicking this, as you can see, it's going to play. And there's also another heading that we created over here and the photo that we have. We also have our link over here. By clicking this, we would be redirected to our product page just like that. And that's it, guys. That's how you can create a blog in Shopify. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.